As a passionate cinephile and audiophile, I couldn't resist sinking my teeth into the hottest soundbars of 2024. After countless hours of testing, explosions, and ear-tingling melodies, I'm here to share my experience with the top 5 contenders. Number 1. Samsung HWQ990C. This beast is the undisputed Dolby Atmos king. Its 11.1.4 channel system throws sound around the room like a sonic javelin, creating an immersive bubble of cinematic magic. The dialogue clarity is impeccable, and the bass, oh the bass, will rattle your furniture in a good way. My action movies came alive with bullets whizzing past my head and car chases roaring through the living room. However, the hefty price tag might make you wince. Number 2. Vizio Elevate. This value champ packs a surprising punch. Its rotating up-firing speakers deliver convincing atmos, and the overall sound signature is surprisingly well-balanced. It even comes with a separate surround speaker kit for a true 5.1.2 experience. While not as powerful as Samsung, it shines for its budget-friendly price and surprisingly nuanced sound. If you're on a tighter budget, this is a fantastic option. Number 3. Vizio M-Series 5.1.2. Another Vizio on the list. The M-Series proves that good things come in smaller packages. This compact soundbar delivers clear dialogue and surprisingly robust bass for its size. The virtual Atmos works surprisingly well, adding a nice sense of height to the soundstage. For apartment dwellers or those with limited space, the M-Series is a great choice. Number 4. Sony HTS-2000. Sony delivers a soundbar with a focus on music. The HTS-2000 boasts clear highs, warm mids, and a punchy bass that makes your favorite tunes come alive. While the Atmos effects are subtle, the overall sound quality is excellent, especially for music lovers. The built-in Chromecast is a nice bonus for easy streaming. Number 5. LG S95QR. LG's offering boasts powerful sound and a sleek design. The 9.1.2 channel system delivers good Atmos immersion, and the dialogue clarity is excellent. However, the bass can be a bit boomy at times, and the overall sound signature feels slightly biased towards the high end. Still, it's a great option for those who prioritize design and powerful sound.